How to manage your Facebook activity log. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about managing Facebook activity log. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Facebook application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, open the Facebook application on your device and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and now scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy, and from there go to Settings. Now again scroll down to find the Your Activities section and tap on Activity Log. And now from this page you can manage your post, you can manage your tags, interactions, you can view groups, events and reels, you can view your profile information and connections, and also the logged actions. So if you want to view your entire activity history, you can go ahead and tap on this View Activity History in the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to do it. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can see and manage all of your activity log at once. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel.